sir, and welcome to the exciting world of HIP.
I'm Andrea Jackson with your Daily Buzz wake-up call for Monday, March 26, 2012. The Supreme Court has set aside 3 days to hear arguments for and against national health care. The 9 justices will begin deliberating the first of 4 questions starting today. Rick Santorum has released a post-apocalyptic video entitled Obamaville that plays more like a horror movie trailer than a campaign ad. A couple of senators have asked for help from the Department of Justice regarding questions about employers asking for Facebook passwords when it comes to new hires and current employees. Here are your final 4. It is Kansas versus Ohio State, and Kentucky goes up against Louisville. Who knew? Popcorn is packed with antioxidants and is one of the best snacks for you if you're looking for something healthy and filling, minus the butter and salt, of course. And The Hunger Games was just the ticket for moviegoers. It scored $155 million in ticket sales, the 3rd best opening of all time and the best for a non-sequel. That is your Monday morning wake-up call. I'm Andrea Jackson. I'll ring you in the morning.